Now let's consider this question on simple interest. Now before you can solve question on simple interest, you must know these two main formulas. The first formula is I equals to P times R times T all over 100. And the second formula is A equal to P plus I. The first formula is used when you are calculating for the interest, and the second formula is used when you want to find the total amount to be paid at the end of the years allocated. So the P is the principal and then the I is the interest. But in this question, we are going to use the first formula. So now let's list out the first one. It says a sum of money earns $180 simple interest. Now the simple interest, which is the I, is 180 in 3 years. So the time is 3 years. Rate of 5%, and then rate is 5%. Calculate the simple interest. So let's write the formula again. I, which is equal to P times R times T all over 100. So let's input these values into the formula. The I over here is 180. The P that we are looking for, we don't know. So let's remain it as that. And then the R, which is 5 times the time, which is T, all over 100. Now let's continue solving it. 180 equals to 5 times 3 is 15 times P, 15P all over 100. Now this one, before we do the cross multiplication, you can see that 5 goes into 15 3 times, and then goes into 100 20 times. 180 over 1, which is equal to 3P over 20. Now we can do our cross multiplication. 180 times 20 and then 1 times 3P. So you have 3P, which is equal to 180 times 20. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. Now 3 goes into itself 1 and goes into 18 6 times. So we have P is equal to 60. Don't forget to bring the 0 times 2. And now 6 times 2 is 12. And then we add these two zeros. So the P is equal to 1200. So now, hence, now final answer, hence the principal is $1,200.